is our last song na po namin ito. Maraming salamat po and condolence po sa family. If I sing you a love song, thank you po. Will you always remember when you hear it on lonely nights when I'm not around? If I sing you a love song, will you hear it forever to remind you how much I've given and how I needed you. If I sing you a love song, it'll always be waiting, but the others have gone away. Let it still be there. Tapos ang aming serbisyo.